Hello and welcome to another episode of Quick Expert Reviews. Today we've got an unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy Fold 7 in the Silver Shadow color. To be honest, I wasn't particularly fond of the black and the blue shadow color, even though the blue shadow is the halo color. So I thought I'm gonna try something different this time and go for the silver shadow. So as we can see, there is a cardboard box within a cardboard box that houses a Type-C to Type-C cable. Not the longest, not the shortest, does a pretty decent job. And then we've got some paperwork, a quick start guide, some conformity leaflets and so on. I always wonder why they couldn't just get it as a PDF onto the phone itself, but I suppose these are some European Union directives that you have to supply a paper manual. Then we've got a bunch more paperwork and a energy label, which I will focus on more in a second, statement of compliance and things like that. So yeah, the energy label is actually a new thing that was introduced this year with the smartphones. So there is a QR code which you can scan and it tells you more about the smartphone itself. So it tells you the model, battery endurance per cycle, battery endurance in cycles, what is the rated battery capacity, has it shipped with a protective cover, what is the repeated freefall reliability test, for example in this case 210, repeated freefall reliability test without defect, repeated freefall reliability class, so this is class A for example, minimum guaranteed availability of the operating system security updates is 5 years, how easy it is to fix, where you can order the parts for it, if you can obviously fix it yourself, for example replace the battery, when was the model placed on the market, and then you've got the actual energy label like the one I've just showed you a second ago, which this one rates as B class. So A for free falls and C for repairability. Other than that, in the box, as you can see, this is what we've got. And then we move on to the main guest of the program or the video, which is the Silver Shadow Samsung Galaxy Fold Z Fold 7 with 512 gigs of storage. This was the biggest storage I could get in the Silver Shadow. I could have gone for the 1 terabyte, but I really wanted the Silver Shadow because in my opinion, it looks very, very, very premium. So we've got this protective screen protector. Geez, this phone is thin. It's unbelievably thin. When it's unfolded, it's only 4.2 millimeters thin. To be honest, I think if I were to stack two Galaxy Folds 7s, they would be as thick as my one Samsung Galaxy Fold 5. So it is incredible. And so is the crease. Finally, when you look at the phone unfolded, it's barely noticeable. Then there is also this sort of a protector on the front as well that you have to peel off, as you can see. And then we've got this gorgeous 6.5-inch front display. So as you can see, the color does become a bit of a fingerprint magnet. However, in general, I just cannot believe how thin this phone is. Like, seriously, wow, Samsung, you've outdone yourself. So yeah, stay tuned. There is a review coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon, guys. Bye.